What's up, friend? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here because I heard you've been talking shit to yourself again. Yep, I heard that you're out here trying to manifest and talk all this talk, but on the inside, you're shook. The voice inside your head is not very kind, okay? She does not have your best interests at heart, but that's okay, because we're gonna fix it. Today's video is all about inner conversations, how to switch up those conversations that you're having in your head to manifest anything that you want, and how to be a bad bitch, basically. How to acknowledge the bad bitch within you. I wanna give a shout out to my girl, Gabriella. She requested this video, and I'm so freaking excited to make it, as I am every single week. So thank you, Gabriella. We're gonna get into it. But before we do, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, you might want to. I don't know, you might wanna change that up a little bit. I have an entire playlist all about the tea on manifestation, how to manifest your dream life, how to overcome any challenges that come along with manifestation, my top manifesting techniques, and so on and so forth. So if you haven't checked that out yet, definitely go check it out. Make sure you're subscribed. Also, if you notice it's a little smoky in here right now, it's because I'm currently, she's shaky. I'm currently burning my vanilla incense. It's from Nippon Kodo. It's one of my favorite incense brands. I got it at Roman's. And you know, I was just feeling vanilla today. I was just feeling a little smoky incense vibe, so that's what's going on if you're wondering what's on fire. And without further ado, let's get into it. What are inner conversations? How can you flip them to manifest anything that you want? How can you take advantage of the inner conversation to awaken your inner bad bitch? I got you. The idea of inner conversations actually comes from a lecture that Neville Goddard gave. And Neville Goddard, if you don't know, he's like the godfather of manifesting, the Steve Jobs of manifesting, the Thomas Edison of manifesting, if you will. The idea here is that your mind is so powerful, and in order to shift your reality, you have to channel the power of your mind and bring it to the 3D. But how are we supposed to do that? Girl, you do it every day. You walk outside and your mind tells your ears that the birds are chirping, okay? You look at a picture and your mind tells your eyes to flip it right side up so that you can understand what you're seeing. Your mind controls your reality, your senses, how you move in the world every single day, every single second of every single day. So why couldn't you harness the power of your mind to make things happen in the 3D the way that your mind envisions them? How do we harness this power? By controlling the narrative in your mind, by controlling those inner conversations. At any given moment on any day, you're having an inner conversation with yourself. Even right now, you're watching this video, but your mind might wander, right? Her voice is kind of annoying. She's on a blue couch. When is my couch getting delivered? Oh shit, my phone's at 15%, I better charge it. Ugh, my boss just emailed me. Why can't he just leave me alone? The first step of controlling your inner conversations is to raise your awareness of them. Tune into your inner conversations, because whether you're aware of them or not, they are shaping your reality. Notice if you're talking down on yourself a lot, if you're extra hard on other people, if you lament a lot on what's going wrong in your life. Just notice. Once you start to raise your awareness of those negative thoughts, you will gain the power to change them. It could be as simple as saying, I love my boyfriend, instead of saying, I'm gonna love my future boyfriend that I don't have right now. Or it can be a bigger flip, right? You go from thinking, I'm such a broke bitch, to thinking, I'm a rich bitch. You can seriously flip things to be the complete opposite of what you originally thought. At the same time, I really wanna caution you, don't panic, don't overthink it, don't drive yourself crazy. If you can't help but think that you're a broke bitch, that's just what you are right now. That's your 3D, and you are living that, and you will continue to live that. Your life is a reflection of the sentences that you keep repeating in your head. You're not necessarily making things worse for yourself or making things harder in the immediate sense. Like if I think in my head, I'm gonna walk outside and find a dead rat on my porch, that doesn't mean as soon as I open my front door right after this video that there's gonna be a dead rat there. I don't know why I thought of that example. That's really strange. I've never found a dead rat. But you're hindering your progress. You're stuck. And I bet you feel stuck too, because you're just so caught up in this loop of negative thoughts. And speaking of negative thoughts, I absolutely love this one part of Neville Goddard's lecture, so I want to share it with you. He said, stop spending your thoughts, your time, your money. Everything in life must be an investment. And at first you think, okay, spending, investing, that's pretty much the same thing. Same general concept. But spending money on a $5 ice cream cone just means you gave the person at the ice cream shop your money, you enjoyed your ice cream for 5 minutes, and you're kind of left with nothing to show for it. That money's gone, the ice cream's gone, You spent it. And you're never gonna get that $5 back that you spent on that ice cream. But investing means there's a true, bigger return on what you spent. You're spending your thoughts, your time, and your energy talking shit about yourself. There's no return on that. You're just stuck in negativity, you get nothing out of it, and at the end, you just feel worse. Think about investing your thoughts and your time into creating a reality that you want to see. When I affirm, when I'm positive, when I'm planning, I'm gonna see a return on those things. Even though they're in my mind, I'm gonna get a return because affirming makes me act. Affirming pushes me forward. Affirming advances the plot. I'm not just reading the same sad page of the book over and over and over again. Break those negative inner conversations because you think that they don't matter because nobody hears them, but you hear them. The most important person of the whole narrative is hearing these negative thoughts. The universe is hearing them. That's what really matters. So if you're feeling angry or sad or just put down about your current situation, resolve that inner conversation as soon as you're aware that it's starting, right? That's where raising the awareness comes in. Once you start to hear that negative thought just like permeating in your mind, shut it down, and then flip it to coincide with what you're manifesting. So if you have a thought just pass through your mind, oh, I'm a broke bitch, but what if I wasn't? I'm not a broke bitch. I have a Postmates membership. I have a lovely home. I feel X, Y, and Z when I come home and I see my $5,000 designer Frenchie scurrying towards the door to greet me. Whatever your visual is, flip that negative thought and turn it into that because that coincides with what you're manifesting and what you ultimately want your 3D to look like. Whatever it looks like for you, just go there, even if it's just for a split second. Friend, I mean this. Your mind is a total freaking gift. It's a gift. It has the power to change how you sense everything around you. It has the power to change how you move, how you feel, how you think, how you operate. That's a gift. That's major power right there. Your mind shapes your world, right? It's like Neville Goddard said, everything is you pushed out. Let me just repeat that if you've never heard that before. Everything is you pushed out. Meaning everything in your world is a reflection of your mind. It is a reflection of your inner self pushed out based on how you interpret it. Tap into that gift and be nice to yourself. I really hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I get it. It is a long process to rewire your mind. It takes a lot of work. It takes time. But I promise, once you raise your awareness and start putting in that effort to flip that negativity, it will get easier. And you'll start to see as it gets easier to flip those negative thoughts into positive ones and align them with what you're manifesting, your 3D will change. Your reality will shift. And it is absolutely wild to see. And I'm so excited for you to see it. Comment down below. I wanna hear your thoughts. I wanna hear your questions. I wanna hear how lovely your inner conversations are. And I will see you in my video next weekend. Happy manifesting.